This is one of my go-to meals when I want something that's light and yummy and that doesn't require a lot of complicated steps. Let me show you how you can make it too. I like to prep everything and then start cooking. It's easier for me when I do it like that. So here I'm roughly chopping the spinach as I set the water to boil to cook the rice. I salt the water and let it come to a boil. I already washed the rice, and once the water starts boiling, I'm adding it to the pot. And don't worry, I didn't leave all that rice in the bowl. As it cooks, I stir occasionally so it doesn't stick to the pot. Here I also added a vegetable bouillon cube for extra flavor. I just forgot to film it. Next, I prep the chicken by cutting it into small cubes. I'm using the gloves because I'm touching the meat with my hands. At this point, I should have taken the gloves off, but I forgot. Don't worry, I cleaned everything. I'm seasoning the chicken with salt, black pepper, olive oil, and my homemade chicken mix that I love. I had to make it because there was no store-bought mix without any flour. By now, the rice is nearly done, so I'm gonna add the chopped spinach and a little bit of butter. I'm gonna mix it all together. Once the rice is cooked, try to see if you want to add more salt and cover it with a lid and move to the side. This way it will soak up if there's any liquid left. Now it's time to pan fry the chicken. I'm using a stainless steel pan and warming it up on low heat. I use the water to test it, and when it's hot enough, I add the olive oil. When it's ready, I add the chicken and fry it for 10 to 15 minutes. This recipe makes for 2 to 4 dinners, depends how hungry you are. I like to serve this with a fresh salad, and that's it. Let me know if you try and enjoy.